Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and I want to show you how I paint these sleigh cutouts. I am going to go in first and base coat my sleigh in the color Driftwood. And I'm just using a number a number 12 flat to base coat, and now I'm just blending in a little bit of the color Pinecone. And then next I'm going to go in and base coat my tree in Evergreen and then blend some limeade in through that. And then I will finish this off by going in with a number 12 round, a number 4 round, and just going over these little lines here to kind of bring my shiplap design out and make it pop. And then with that same brush, I'll go in and outline my tree with the color black, and then I will be done. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a great day.